Hey everybody, I got another pocket letter video for you today. So this is for my Facebook group. It's for an event and it's for my favorite animal. So this is, I chose the peacock because I love the feathers and my favorite colors are blue and green. So I kind of naturally go towards that. So this is a photograph here that I took at the Toronto Zoo. And then these images I found on Google Images. You can find all kinds of stuff. And then there's the brown peacock there. And more pretty pictures. There's lots of pretty pictures. Beautiful colors. And that one's one of mine too. One of my photographs there. Look at this feather. Looks so lifelike. It's just a picture, right? So yeah, and then so I got this cool speckled blue tape. I used blue and green throughout the whole thing. And I've got these cool feathers here that I found in the craft store. And I used a purple feather because I didn't have green ones. So yeah, so that is the front. Then I will show you the back. Trying to keep it animal themed. So I have these cool stickers. I got this big sticker package from Amazon. So that's why I got all these cool stickers. So yeah, so I just included animal stickers. And these are my wooden buttons. They're wood buttons. I got those from AliExpress. I included a T. And then I just used my animal die cuts. So I got my bunny, elephant, and bats, and a nice bee. So yeah, and more bats. So yeah, I just use my animal die cuts. So yeah, and then I like to include coloring pages. Now you've seen this image before. It's one of my favorites. So I thought that just fits right in. And then I got a lion. Cool elephant. You've probably seen some of these before. Let's see. Cool wolf. Look at this awesome giraffe. It's one of my favorites. Look at this bunny. Look at this bunny. Isn't that super awesome? So yeah, those are the pocket letters. The pocket color pages. I like including color pages. I never colored any. I have never colored any of these images, but I always include them because I like them. And then I'm going to, and look what I found. I found this at the craft store. I found a peacock feather. There's two of them in there. Two peacock feathers. Or so they're real peacock feathers. So yeah, so I'm going to include two of those. I thought those were so smart. I'm going to leave them in the plastic. That way that protects them. And then I'm including some awesome ribbon. See, that reminded me of a peacock tail. Some lace ribbon and some blue and green ribbon. There's some purple ribbon underneath it. So I got including some ribbon, and those are tags. So 2 tags, ribbon, peacock feather. And then I was on Amazon, of course, as always, and I found this really cool bookmark. I could have made a bookmark, but I really like this one. Hope is a thing with feathers. I thought it was just really pretty. And then I got one of my own photographs. This is one of my own photographs. And I'm going to put a note on the back of it. My letter on the back of it. So yeah. So that is my favorite animal, peacock, pocket letter. Later.